been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Hey loves, come on in. So welcome to my new dream home.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
We actually was able to purchase our dream home and we are so excited to share it all. But it's not so empty all the way. You know, we're working on getting everything together. We've only been in here just a few days. So we're gonna first start off in my grand, beautiful living room. Y'all, I really wanted this open concept and I can envision it now. Can you? It is a dream come true. Like I can envision it now. The couch, the rug, the coffee table, the TV, you name it. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope you all are too because I'm about to bring you along for the journey. But let's go over to where I'm gonna really throw it down, you know, and feed this baby bump and all. So one of my favorite points of this house has to be the kitchen, and specifically like the island, the whole backdrop. All of this is so beautiful. The island is huge, okay? I wanted a huge island because, you know, Thanksgiving gonna be here at my house, y'all. Ooh. So one of the things I love about this kitchen is the sink. Like, ooh, I know y'all know what it's like when you cooking and you don't want to like touch all on the faucet and stuff. Now I could just, yeah, okay. Dishwasher, I use them. I'm not a hand scrubber on the pots and pans. It's just my preference, okay? If I got to, I will. We currently don't have a refrigerator, as you can see, but I'm working on that. The one I want is currently back order, and we talking about like 2 months on that, so we're trying to figure that out. But let's go ahead and take you to where the real action happens. So one of my favorite things about this kitchen is the 5-top stove burner, you know. So I'm gonna throw it down, okay? I can see my spaghetti, my water boiling, all of that. I do prefer gas stoves, but electric will work, it'll work. And then y'all gotta see this, the double oven. It was on my wish list and it's a dream come true. Like Thanksgiving, it's gonna be lit, y'all. Microwave, we all know how to use one. I'm glad that it's up high because now I don't have to worry about the little ones reaching in and putting forks and things in there. So moving on from that, we have our butler's pantry. You know, I got some good ideas for this area. Let me know down in the comments what you're thinking I can use this area for. Personally, I'm thinking like a coffee bar, smoothie bar, because you know, we love our smoothies over here, right? And I got my pantry. It's huge. We're not gonna go into that today because I threw a lot of stuff in there. So now that I've shown you, you know, the main points of downstairs, let me just go ahead and show you upstairs. Oh, Romeo, oh, Romeo. Oh, how I love you, Romeo. I know, corny, right? But this is dope to me, y'all. Like, they call these Juliet balconies, so, you know, just get a little role play. But let me go show you where my guests gonna sleep. The guest room, you know? I put my old bedroom furniture in here, so it probably looks a little familiar. This is currently where we're sleeping until we can figure out what we wanna do with our master, which is gonna be so lit, okay? Is lit outplayed? Nice size bedroom because we're able to fit a king size bed with both nightstands, and I love it. Whoever's coming to stay, welcome to the Lavish Hotel. So this room is going to be a room that you're probably going to see a lot because this is going to be my recording room, my office workspace, where things happen for the Lavish fam. So I hope you all enjoy this because we're going to transform this together. I hope you're excited because I got a lot of things up my sleeve for this, but this is the reason I chose this room. Like this little area to sit down, you know. Sitting home waiting for you. Okay, never mind. I ain't gonna do it. Noelle, come here. So as you all can guess, this is going to be Noelle and her baby siblings' playroom, and she's so excited, right?
Yeah!
This room is huge. Obviously right here, I plan on putting a big flat screen TV for Noelle to watch all her cartoons because I don't be wanting to watch that Baby Shark stuff all day long. But to see everything else, you're just gonna have to watch. So go ahead and subscribe.
I want to watch sharks.
You wanna watch Baby Sharks?
Yeah.
Now let me show you where my zaddy gonna be. So this is gonna be hubby's man cave. He finally gets his own personal space. He likes to think that no girls are allowed, but I'm gonna be in here bugging him, you know. So I'm not gonna tell you what he plans to do because I want you to actually go watch his video and see his thoughts and plans on that. But one thing I can tell you I'm a little jealous of is he got a wet bar. I didn't get a wet bar in any of my rooms, but you know, you win some, you lose some. So let me go show you my princess's room because she's in love with it. So this is Noelle's room. She's super excited. So if you all follow me on Instagram, then you definitely saw her reaction when we first brought her to the house so she can see her room. She was off the wall, off the chains. Like, this ain't nothing. You like it?
Yes.
So this is where we're gonna put all of her cute little clothes, because y'all know I love to dress Noelle up. We haven't been doing it in a while because, you know, COVID, but we're gonna get this little girl popping, right?
Yes.
One last thing to show you that's attached to her room, and that is her own bathroom that she no longer has to share with guests. This is Noelle's bathroom that she'll be sharing with her baby sibling. It's so cute. You know, I kind of just went ahead and set it up for Noelle since she's going to be the one really functioning and using it right now. She has her own little shower and tub combo. It's really cute in here. It's nice and personal with her mini little toilet. You know, it's not mini, but she's potty trained now, so this comes in handy. So one thing I love about this house is the color scheme, okay? Y'all should know I love very neutral colors, and this is just like a gray basic tile. She don't need nothing fancy. I really like this, so I'm just gonna play off of it with some white, some blacks, you know, pop of color, and some gold, because that's our vibe, right?
Yes.
So here's gonna be where I get all the real good work done. My office. So yes, I have 2 spaces, because you know, I'm a queen. Well, I'm really excited to decorate this space because this is where I'm probably gonna spend a lot of my work hour days when I'm not recording the actual videos. But make sure you follow me on Instagram @lavishlybritt and interacting with me on my daily stories, because that is gonna be where I'm probably gonna be asking the most questions related to how I decorate my spaces. Okay, do it. I'll put the link down in the description box. We are currently standing in my master bedroom. It's just a big old empty room, but let's really talk about this master bathroom. One of my favorite things about the master bedroom has to be this huge garden tub. Personally, I would have liked some jets in it, but nonetheless, it will work. I'm pregnant and I cannot wait to soak in this huge tub. Like, next thing I love is all of this space, this counter space that I have here, you know, and the multiple views. What's up, girl? I'm cute. Unfortunately, hubby doesn't get quite as much counter space as I do, or cabinet space for that matter. But hey, he got his own sink, so what can he say? Here we just got a linen closet. Not gonna show that. Those are pretty boring. But one thing I'm really excited about, I've never had one of these personally in my life, and that's a water closet, AKA where your toilet resides. But they like to give things fancy names nowadays. So, and as always, remember, you poppin', you're beautiful, and I love you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.